What's up guys, for today's video we're gonna do another simple slow motion video, just pellet gun versus soda cans. Let's see what happens, and we'll film it at around 100,000 frames per second. It's such a beautiful day, not even a cloud. It's perfect time to film slow motions during a sunny bright days like that. So let's do it. A regular 22 pellet gun, and you know what, we're gonna set up the cans like Edwin Sarkisian does all the time in his gun channel. I'm gonna set him up like that, spread them out a little bit, and just like he does all the time, we're gonna see how many this 22 pellet gun can go through each can, and we'll film it at super slow motion. Some people might be interested in how it works. You just set up the resolution. Let's do 640 by 480 right here, and then we can set the frames per second, 62,000. You know what, let's try to film it a little bit slower than that. 512 by 320, and they go 100,000 resolution. And now I can only see one can, so I'm only gonna shoot one can just to see what it looks like. Hopefully I'll shoot the right can. Right in the middle over here. Let's do it. Oh, nice shot. I actually blew the can open. Check this out. Wow. It penetrated two. So now that we know that one bullet can go through one can, let's shoot through a few of them. But first let's see what this looked like in slow motion. I think this was the entry, and then it exploded here, but maybe opposite. Maybe it exploded here and came out at here, because the flap is kind of open on this side. Crazy, a little pellet gun can do. Okay, I know it's super bright right now, but let's see if I record it on time. I usually don't even film with that kind of resolution and that slow. Alright, there goes the bullet, way out of focus. Ooh. Whoa! It just shred through the metal and exploded it. So slow, incredible. So let's see now how many cans can it go through. Look like it go through one pretty easily. Will it go three? Let's find out. Or will it just get stuck? I feel like it's just gonna get stuck. So gonna save that footage and we'll shoot it one more time, maybe 5 cans. So I'm gonna shoot it from this angle, and hopefully it will go through all of them, but obviously it won't, but hopefully a few of them at least. Let's see. Also, I think I should really spread them out instead of doing them a lot, because from the explosion of the can we won't see the bullet traveling and hitting the next can. From the experience I already know that. Let's just do like 4 cans, that's it, or maybe just 3 cans. I don't think it will go through 3 cans anyways, but we'll see. Grab another little pellet. This is what the pellet looks like. 22, I think that's what they called. Okay, and then I need to run and trigger the camera as soon as I shoot it. Okay, there goes nothing. Oh, that was a mess. And I don't think I even recorded. Man, I just took a shower in this thing. But wow, how many did it go through? Okay, I'm spraying camera and all my equipment with soda. I'm kind of done with all that messy videos. So, look like it went through this one. Maybe on this one it got stuck. Went to one, there is a hole. Went to a second one, there is another hole. Third one. And this one, I think it got stuck in it. Yep, that is so funny. Let's open it up. See what happened to this little thing. No? Nothing in there. I think it just bounced off. But it hit it and penetrated too. So wow. 1, 2, 3, it penetrated the fourth one. Unbelievable. I need to set up some kind of mass shield or something, because it will be all sticky out here. Impossible to move the mouse around. And this stuff too. Poor camera. And you know what's the worst part about filming by yourself? That I need to shoot it and I need to trigger the camera because it's on a loop. If I miss it, the footage is lost. That's how crazy the cameras are. So all that mess was pretty much for nothing. So let's do this one more time in slow motion. One more time. This time I got it. Okay, one. Wow, no way. This time it went to all four of them. Maybe, I don't know. That's crazy. It's a powerful rifle. Yeah, all of them are exploded, even the old ones. It's crazy. This time I went all four of them. Let's see it in slow mo. Okay, 26,000 frames per second. Whoa, that's so fast. No way. It's definitely slowed down quite a bit. And it went to first three like a butter. And I think it's a stuck in the last one. Wow, incredible, beautiful footage. We're done here. I need to go clean up all that mess because everything is so sticky. Wow, that is so beautiful though. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this thing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.